guys, I want to show you a little bit about tomorrow's Share for Life, the second workshop. What are the key things we're going to focus about? So in this one, the focus you can see that is going to be nutrition and what is so important. And you can see there is a key outcomes. We have classified foods, list of the sources, describe vitamins, and explain the functions of the common material minerals for the people. So in the future, you can also explain to other people how to use all those things and so on. And you can see major types, groups. We're talking about carbohydrates, the fats and the fats. There will be a lot of talks about minerals, the fibers, why it's so important. I think this is very important. Nutrition consumption all over our body, how it works. There will be also talk about carbs, of course. There will be also sessions like fat and vitamins and the fat vitamins deficiencies, A, D, E, K, and so on. We will also talking. You will be also learning a lot about this one, about benefits of drinking water, why and how, so you can explain to other people. And you can see that the 10 amazing reasons you need to drink sufficient water and why, so you can explain to other people in the community and so on. And yeah, I'm skipping, just giving you bits. And you can see that the tomorrow trainer is Dr. Young. She's a master doctor, and she will be sharing all this thing to you. So guys, stay put, be on time, and I believe there will be an exciting session tomorrow. All the best, and see you tomorrow.